In this bite, we'll be talking about using an import to update an existing planned gift on a record. Let's take a look at a file. It is a recommendation that when you are importing updates to have one row per planned gift in your file. In your file, make sure you include the information that identifies which record in Slate has the planned gift you want to update. In this case, we're using the 9-digit Slate reference ID. When it comes to matching to an existing planned gift on a record, there are three options. The planned gift external ID, which is typically going to be a legacy ID imported from a previous system. The planned gift Slate GUID, which is a ID generated by Slate. And a planned gift identity, which is again another ID generated by Slate. For our file, we're going to match the planned gift external ID. For the additional data points, we're going to update the planned gift date, and we're also going to apply a soft credit from this planned gift. With our destinations mapped and our file processed, let's take a look at our work. As you can see, we've updated the date on the planned gift. And we also assigned Steve Gray as a soft credit. Notice here that there is the external ID. That is what we use to match to this planned gift on this record. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and smash that like button.